Right then, we now go on to Westfields White City. And now go into Westfields White City and to the first lift in House of Fraser. I'm not sure if this lift was original from when the centre was built, whether it was an afterthought when House of Fraser went down to the basement, I'm not entirely sure. And this lift is a cheap generic and it gets the floor numbering wrong. What do you expect from these generics? They are so crap. It calls it 0 and 1 when it should be -1 and 0.
Doors closing. Lift going up. Ground music and livery.
And now go into the main lifts in House of Fraser. And despite the fact that Westfields is a posh new shopping centre, House of Fraser went and installed cheap generics. And when I first went into Westfields, when it first opened, I thought, oh dear, it's got a floor numbering wrong, 3 is below 0. But in fact, it hasn't. In fact, these lifts do actually go non-stop from car park down to -3, non-stop up to 0, then 1 and 2, because the lifts are actually bypassing Waitrose.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Everett car park.
Now go into this rather weird sort of posh looking bit of Westfields and into the Eco Discs there. These lifts go from -3, -2, -1, then 0 which is lower mail, 1 is the upper mail, then go up to a weird little mezzanine floor 2 which is this House of Fraser. Then there's also floor 3 and this floor's locked and I've still got no idea what's up there, although it appears to be some offices up there. And now go into Banana Republic and into the lift there and oh no, stupid Stanner! Oh, more stupid Stanners! And once again, floor numbering's wrong because most of the shops have 2 floors here, all up on the first floor, with the upper level of the shop being up on the second floor. I don't think I've seen a single lift here that's got floor numbering correct. Why do shops not see the need to get the floor numbering correct? If I owned Westfields, I'd make it part of the condition of their lease that lifts in the shop have to conform to the same floor numbering as the rest of the centre. Now we go on to the next lift, which is in Bershka, and it is a little chair. And now go in Top Man Top Shop, and the lift there is stupid Stanner again. Seriously, there's so many stupid Stanners and this is meant to be Westfields, the posh shopping centre. And now we go into one of the main lifts in Westfields. This lift goes from -2 car park, -1 car park, ground and 1 shopping levels. And now we go into, I still do not know how to pronounce the name of that shop. And the lift there is a nice second generation Eco Disc, although it still gets the floor numbering wrong.
Going down. Floor 0.
And now go into shoe, and the lift is another stupid Stanner. So now we go into Debenhams, and lift there's some nice eco discs. These lifts go from lower level shopping, which is -2, ground floor shopping, which is 0, then upper male, which is 1, then the additional level of shopping, floor 2, so it does get the floor numbering correct, and it is correct that the lower level shopping is -2, because even though -2 is directly below floor 0, because it's actually in a shop, it's actually double height of a parking level, so yes, it gets the floor numbering correct.
Floor -2.
And now go outside of this shopping centre into some little lifts outside. And these lifts were installed, I think, there's a year or 2 after the shopping centre opened. So you'd think they'd still use eco discs just like the rest of the centre, but no, they use these stupid generics.
Going down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down. Floor -2. Doors opening.
And now we go outside of West Hilton to the library, which has a nice Schindler MRL.
Floor 1.
And now we go into Sports Direct in Westfields. In the lift there is another stupid Stanner. And again, it gets the floor numbering wrong. The lift actually goes to an upper mount, which is floor 1, up to the additional level shopping, which is floor 6 on, which is floor 2. But no, it calls it ground and 1. Again, floor numbering incorrect. And now we go into Little Gym. And the lift there is another stupid generic, it's a swallow lift. And this lift is a bit of an entrapment, because when you get in the lift and go up to Little Gym, it doesn't let you go down again. This is because this is a children's gym and they're worried about children going in the lift and then running away out the centre. But it's still rather annoying. You have to get out the lift at the top floor and then go down the stairs. Oh dear. And also the lift gets the floor numbering wrong. And now we go into some more of the main lifts in Westfields, which are some nice eco discs which go down to the car park.
Floor -2. Floor 2. Floor 2.